Here we are over in Fleetwood this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer previously had this Sky dish up there on that bracket, however he's not on Sky and wanted it removed. So we've reused the same pole and bracket, installed our Starlink pole adapter, wired it straight down through, sitting on the bottom shelf inside there, hardwired into his PlayStation 5. It was receiving 9 megabytes per second off Sky. It's now receiving over 250 plus. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.